Connect the MC720 blue outlet adapter to the blue outlet port. Rotate the adapter by hand to tighten. Use a wrench to further tighten the adapter into the system. Do not over-tighten. Connect the MC730 red inlet adapter to the red inlet port. Rotate the adapter by hand to tighten. Use a wrench to further tighten the adapter into the system. Do not over-tighten. Push the red inlet tubing firmly into the red inlet adapter. Pull the tubing to check that it is secure. Push the blue outlet tubing firmly into the blue outlet adapter. Pull the tubing to check that it is secure. Push down on the outer ring of the adapter with one hand, then pull out the tubing with your other hand. Rotate the adapter with a wrench to loosen. Once loosened, rotate the adapter by hand to remove. Use a wrench to loosen the other adapter. Rotate by hand to remove. Here is a cross section to show how far the tubing inserts into the adapter. This cross section shows how the tubing is removed.